A Roth IRA is one of the most powerful retirement tools available, but if you're unsure how it works or how to leverage it effectively, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to use a Roth IRA for retirement, especially if you're approaching retirement age or already there. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to maximize your savings with this account and why it might just be the best option for your future. Before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to protect their savings, and if you've got 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, this could be a crucial step in securing your financial future. Let's jump right into it. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax money now and, in return, enjoy tax-free withdrawals during retirement. This is a massive benefit, especially if you anticipate your tax rate being higher in the future. Essentially, you're locking in today's tax rate, which could save you a significant amount when you retire. The biggest advantage of a Roth IRA is its tax-free growth. Unlike traditional retirement accounts, which require you to pay taxes on your withdrawals, Roth IRAs let your investments grow tax-free. This means if you start early, your money will compound over time without the burden of taxes eating into your returns. One of the most powerful things about Roth IRAs is their flexibility. You can withdraw your contributions anytime without penalty. While the earnings must remain in the account until you're 59-12, you can always access the funds you've already contributed, which gives you peace of mind in case of an emergency. And as you're nearing retirement, the Roth IRA becomes even more valuable. When you reach retirement age, you can take your withdrawals without worrying about paying taxes on that money. This can be a game changer, especially for retirees in higher tax brackets or those who have significant savings that would otherwise be taxed heavily in a traditional IRA or 401k. But it's not all about tax-free withdrawals. Another key advantage is that Roth IRAs do not have required minimum distributions, or RMDs. This means you don't have to worry about being forced to take money out of your account by a certain age, as you would with a traditional IRA or 401k. This gives you the ability to leave your account to grow or to pass it on to your heirs tax-free. Now, if you're considering a Roth IRA but already have money in a traditional IRA or 401k, here's something to think about. You can do what's called a Roth conversion. This means you take some or all of your traditional retirement funds and convert them into a Roth IRA. You'll have to pay taxes on that conversion, but the long-term benefits, especially with the tax-free withdrawals, are well worth it. In fact, many people are using this strategy as part of their retirement planning. While a Roth IRA offers incredible benefits, there's one important thing to keep in mind. Roth IRAs do have contribution limits, and your eligibility to contribute is based on your income. For 2025, the contribution limit is $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. If your income exceeds certain limits, you may not be able to contribute directly. But there are still ways to get money into a Roth IRA, like a backdoor Roth IRA strategy. That said, while the Roth IRA is an excellent tool for most people, if you're nearing retirement and have significant savings, it might be worth looking into alternative options, like Gold IRAs. If you want to learn more about how thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to protect their wealth, be sure to click the first link in the description. It's a simple and free guide, and if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, you'll definitely want to see why this might be the best option for you. In conclusion, using a Roth IRA for retirement is an excellent strategy if you're looking for tax-free growth and withdrawals. It's a flexible, powerful way to save, especially for those who are in the accumulation phase of retirement. And if you're already well established with significant savings, consider diversifying with Gold IRAs to hedge against market volatility and inflation. Gold IRAs are the perfect option for American retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings. For more information on how to protect your wealth and get the most out of your retirement savings, click the link in the description to grab your free guide. Take action now and secure your financial future.